I have sorry guys.
पिटौन मारेंगे हमारे पिटौन की तो जो वो है ना बाहर वो कट जाती है तो एक्चुअल वो नहीं करते भाई मन नहीं कर रहा क्या मन नहीं कर रहा
अब कर रहे हैं भैया।
चलो
चलो हमारा बैग पैक था। लाइसेंस में कोई जाना है गाड़ी ले लियो अपनी कंसर्न।
हाँ यार एक चादर ले लूं
माथा टेक लो एक बार।
मत तो टकूता ही जाएगा ऊपर तक। जाओ ठीक है बापू।
So तरुण भाई चलो let's rock.
Let's rock. Now we are ready.
Now we are ready
Bye.
for Hanumandipa. Bye.
We have reached Dhundi and we have parked our car here.
So there is our beautiful peak, Mount Hanumantipa. We will go till Vyaskund campsite, and from there we will start and begin our wonderful journey towards Hanumantipa.
हेलमेट यहाँ टांग दो राहुल भाई
It's been 30 minutes. We started our trek towards Bakathach camp, and let me show you around. That's the team in the front, and it's been great, just warming up, and let's keep moving forward. We are on our way to Vyaskund, and ascent is not that steep, but yeah, it's steep and we have a lot of weight, so it's a hard climb, but good, nice. So right now we'll go till there, and from there we'll let you know and let you see the front view from there. It's a gradual ascent. We are taking our time in order to get our body acclimatized in a proper way, and yeah, we are enjoying it. चले शेरपा मार उठा के चलो जी, take a seat. First time. Now we are at Bakathach. So right now we are in Bakathach, and there you can see that's the way to Vyaskund, and those are the mountains. This is Hanumantipa, and that is the Tentu Pass.
Yeah. This
From there we'll go to Tentu Pass. From that side we'll go to the base camp, and from there we'll go to the summit.
this
is
big friendship.
Me, Rahul Rana, Tarun, Kondal, Kanchan, and Katoch.
कटोच
Karan Katoch. Remember the name.
भाई बोला कौन है भाई तू कौन है
From there we will go to Vyaskund, and we'll camp there today, and This is training area of Abimas. You can see. And this side is Mount Friendship Peak, and this side Hanuman Dibba.
2 बजे मूव करवाएंगे
And from there,
तब जाके सबमिट 6 बजे के आसपास
the lake Friendship Peak is done by that route.
वाले बंदे चलते कहाँ हैं?
आज का सीधा ही मैंने ब्यास को
the Abimas site and training going on that side. Best of luck. Thank you. आपको भी हेलो. So guys, आप देख सकते हैं अभिमास वाले अभी ऊपर से ट्रेनिंग करके वापस आते हुए. बाकी हम भी अभी बकरताज से ऊपर पहुंच गए हैं. यहाँ क्रॉस करके we will reach to ब्यासकुंड camp and then we'll pitch our campsite. That's all for right now. अभी यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं terrain थोड़ा पत्थर वाला है, काफ़ी एग्जॉस्टिंग है. एग्जॉस्टिंग तो हो गई जब आप अपनी ट्रैक के खुद ही पोर्टर हैं, वही असली मज़ा है. Oh wow, very beautiful. So after a steep climb, we are almost
Now we have to go in this side.
near Biaskund.
So it will take around about 1 hour from here for our campsite. So let's keep on. So that's the side from where we have came through there. From there we have come to this point, and right now we'll continue our journey till there. We are thinking to make our camp over there, and next day we'll do our next camp at that particular point, and from there we'll ascend the Tentu Pass.
सुनो
क्या हो गया?
टेंट से टाइट कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ कर दो पत्थर लगाना उसमें ना साइड में.
So right now we have reached to our first camp. It was raining, so we pitched our tent, and right now we are making our food. Tea is getting ready, and then we'll cook dal and rice, and these are our ingredients.
कंचन चाय आपकी. बिस्किट ले लिए? ठीक है. उसको बोलो क्या नाम है उसका, तरुण को बोलो एक बार चाय ले जाए.
ओके. तो
कंचन क्या क्या सीन है बाहर का, मौसम कैसा है अभी?
बाबा अभी क्लियर दिख रहा है ऊपर देखो.
अच्छा.
So guys, right now we are cooking, and tomorrow we're gonna be on base camp 2 of Tentu Pass, and that side is Tentu Pass, and from that ridge we have to go on top, and then We have to go behind. From behind we have to reach the south of this peak and then climb it. That's our summit.
Morning guys, this is our second day and today we'll go there at a particular spot, and in the morning at around about 3 am we'll start our journey, our ascent towards the Tentu Pass. And right now we'll prepare our breakfast and then we'll move toward our second campsite and we'll keep you posted. Till then, enjoy the scenic view around me and see you guys. हाँ बोलिए. So we just had tea for our breakfast. We'll try to reach our second camp within 2 hours and then we'll prepare breakfast, lunch, dinner for ourselves, and in the morning at around about 3 to 4 am we'll start our journey toward Tentu Pass, which is straight in that direction. See you guys, keep you guys posted. Cheers. चाकू से काटिए.
ऑक्सीमीटर चल ही रहा है.
चाकू इसके पास है.
इधर रखा साइड में. करो ना, वहाँ चाकू होगा साइड में मेरे बैग के साथ.
चल ही रहा है. देखो
उल्टा साल डाला इसमें. वो पानी मिल गया.
पानी मिल गया.
बस ठीक है, डन.
इससे अच्छी जगह क्या चाहिए.
ठीक.
ऐसे बहन जो पानी पानी कर इसने पानी 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 मतलब भाई मैं ले आऊंगा बहन जो कहीं.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे देख चाकू होगा. So this is our second base camp and we were thinking to go there and pitch our tent over there, but it seems that there is a rock fall, so we decided to pitch our tent in a safe zone, and tomorrow we'll do the load ferry as high as we can, and the next day we'll start summiting toward the Tentu Pass at around about 4 am. So next day would be for load ferry, because we have around about 30 kg rucksack with us. So with 30 kg this elevations wouldn't be easy. So we'll do the load ferry from here, and that is Kanchan over there filling the water bottle, and this is Tarun and Karan pitching the tent, and let's keep you posted. So right now me and Karan, we came for a little recce down that ridge line, and the weather condition is good. The snow is also firm, and it was a little bit cloudy today. So yeah, that's about it. So now we are getting back to our tent, which is over there, and tomorrow in the morning we'll do load ferry till that point, and then we'll come back, and the next day at around about 4 am we'll start our journey toward Tentu Pass. So yeah, that's about it right now.
सो बिल्कुल सामने टेंटू पास के लिए रास्ता जा रहा है वहाँ से, एंड हम बिल्कुल यहाँ पे बेस पे कैंपिंग कर रहे हैं आज, और जो सामान वगैरह है उसको भी एक बार चेक कर रहे हैं कि ऊपर क्या क्या जाएगा क्या क्या नहीं जाएगा। एंड मेडिकल के लिए भी थोड़ा सा, वैसे तो सभी फिट है लेकिन मेडिकल फिर भी ज़रूरी है। एक बार चेक कर रहे हैं क्या बीपी वगैरह चल रहा है।
चलिए
एंड
देखिए
सब मस्त है। ये हमारे कंचन भैया
फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड,
फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड,
चमोली।
इंडिया,
चमोली
फ्रॉम
डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
इंडिया,
या
तरुण फ्रॉम इंडिया, करण फ्रॉम इंडिया, राहुल फ्रॉम इंडिया।
क्या आ रहा है, हो रहा है अभी। और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे कॉन्टीन्यूसली ऊपर से रॉकफॉल हो रहा है। वो देखिए सामने बिल्कुल। थोड़ा रिस्की है इस साइड में, लेकिन यहाँ पे अभी तक कोई ऐसा ट्रिगर हुआ नहीं है रॉक, तो हमारा प्लान ऐसा ही है।
92 तेरा स्पीड चल रहा है, 98 तेरी हार्ट बीट चल रही है। सांस ले।
नहीं नहीं ठीक है,
हाँ
99 90 हाँ ठीक है।
100 स्पीड चल रही है।
नहीं तब तो ठीक है,
90 के ऊपर ही होनी चाहिए ऑक्सीमीटर।
बस पानी वानी का जो ध्यान है।
योगा
मेरा भी तो करो चेक यार।
हल्का सा
इसमें
योगा योगा करता रहे सांस। हाँ फिर भी कम है देखा जाए तो।
बताना कितना है।
गिरो गिरो, म्यूजिक दो बढ़िया।
कितना आ रहा है?
कर रहा है।
अच्छा हो रहा है अभी।
धीरे मेरी तरफ देखा, ऐसे नहीं दिखेगा।
नहीं दिख रहा है
क्या है?
अभी तक आया नहीं।
बारिश आई क्या?
ब्लैक है कि क्या है?
ब्लैक आइस है बाबा।
ब्लैक आइस है,
हाँ।
खतरनाक।
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है।
बिल्कुल सामने ग्लेशियर भी दिख रहा है यार।
आए बड़ा गैंड दिख रहा है वो। दिख रहा है ना। थोड़ी बहुत बातें होगी भाई बीच में।
चलो मैं वीडियो बंद कर। सो टुडे इज़ आवर डे 3 एंड आज का बहुत सिंपल सा प्लान है। पहले पूजा करेंगे एंड देन ब्रेकफास्ट, आफ्टर दैट थोड़ा सा लौट फेरी कर लेंगे आगे तक, फिर वापस ही आके खाना वगैरह बना के बाकी सामान को सेट करके दोबारा से रेस्ट करेंगे। फिर उसके बाद हम डायरेक्ट जाएंगे आपका कैंप बनाने के लिए, हायर एल्टीट्यूड कैंप, सो दैट day after tomorrow we can do the climb for Hanuman Tiba. So this is our plan for the moment, and maybe it will change according to situation and weather. Weather is almost very good. We can do it. That's all for now.
It's the breakfast time for our third day, and we will be having mayonnaise with this, and anyone who wanted to have jam, they could have jam. And this is our chef salad for today.
मैं ले तो लिया, ले लिया भाई पर पत्थर।
So right now, me and Kanchan, we are doing Lord Ferry. This is a 10-2 trail, and there is 10-2 pass. We came all over from that point, that ridge line you can see, and we will go till that point, and then we put our luggage or equipments that we are carrying with us till that point. So कंचन, कुछ बोलना चाहते हो आप?
नहीं,
कुछ ऐड ऑन करना चाहते हो? कैसा लग रहा है?
सही है, अच्छा ही है।
सही है, अच्छा है, मज़ा आ रहा है ना? अभी शुक्र है यहाँ पे स्नो काफ़ी है तो क्लाइंब करना जो है वो इजी है। हम सोच रहे हैं बाकी रोप भी यहाँ पे कहीं पे ऊपर फिक्स कर दे ताकि जो बाकी मेंबर्स हैं और हम भी हैं इजीली ऊपर पहुँच पाएँ। और बाकी हमारा आज रात का प्लान है, रात का या मतलब 3 बजे 4 बजे के अराउंड हम चलेंगे। और ऊपर से यू कैन सी थोड़ा बहुत स्नोफॉल भी हो रहा है, स्नोफॉल नहीं सॉरी एवलांच फिगर हो रहा है। कंचन यहाँ से ना ऐसा करेंगे ना हम, मैं लीड करता हूँ थोड़ा सा, तू पीछे से खड़ा होके वॉच आउट कर, ठीक है? उस पॉइंट तक वहाँ पे फिर तू लीड करिए उस पॉइंट से आगे से,
ठीक।
फिर वहाँ मैं वॉच आउट करूँगा पीछे से, ठीक है? अकॉर्डिंगली करते हैं क्योंकि ये तो इतना छोटा मोटा तो आता ही रहेगा। और ना ये वाइट आउट भी होने वाला थोड़ी देर में, मेरे को लग रहा है। टाइम क्या 11 साढ़े 11 हो रहे हैं ना? ठीक है तो डन। कंचन रेडी? डन। तो अभी जो वाइट आउट है वो होना स्टार्ट हो गया और कंचन और मैंने प्लान किया है कि जो सामान है लॉर्ड फेरी वाला उसको हम यहीं पे रख देंगे अभी और वापस जाएंगे बेस कैंप में। एंड कल क्या मतलब आज ही रात में जब हम चलेंगे नीचे से तो यहाँ से सामान उठा के टॉप तक ले जाएंगे एंड देन वहाँ से नेक्स्ट कैंप के लिए हम कोई 12 बजे तक पहुँच जाएंगे और वहाँ पे हम अपना सबमिट कैंप लगाएंगे। सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर द मोमेंट। एंड आप कंचन को देख सकते हो कितनी मेहनत करता हुआ, पूरी साफ़ सफाई कर रहा है सिस्टम रखने के लिए। और अभी वाइट आउट हो गया, अदरवाइज हम चले जाते थोड़ा और ऊपर तक। और ऊपर से आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा बहुत फॉल भी हो रहा है, मे बी कुछ पार्ट है जो सुबह धूप थी तो उससे लूज़ हो गया है एंड वो गिर रहा है नीचे। तो अब हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हम वापस जाएंगे अब। बट हमने जो ट्रेल बनाया था हम उस पर ही उतर रहे हैं तो इजी है। थोड़े से छोटे क्रिवासिस भी हैं यहाँ पे बट हम उनको क्रॉस करके डायगनली रूट से आ गए हैं। तो दैट्स ऑल। अब आपको बेस कैंप पहुँच के एक बार नीचे से दिखाते हैं कि हमने अपना जो लॉर्ड फेरी है वो कहाँ तक किया है। एंड यू कैन सी यहाँ पे क्रिवास है छोटा सा। सो यू कैन सी ये सारा फट रखा है यहाँ पे पूरा ही पार्ट। हम इसको साइड से क्रॉस करके निकलेंगे। एंड कंचन कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप
नहीं बस
इस एडवेंचर के बारे में?
क्या करना, बस
कुछ भी नहीं करना, खाना खाना है भाई ये तो बताओ। और एक कंचन ना विदाउट क्रैम्पोन्स के दिखा रहा है कि हिमाचली और गढ़वाली लोग कितना पहाड़ों के लिए वो होते हैं। पत्थर यार, पत्थर मेरे को नहीं लगता भी आएगा। आ भी सकता है, सही बोल रहा है। इसको एक बार बंद करने दे तो तुसी पता लगे प्लेट पता लगे प्लेट भी गिर गई है।
यहाँ रख दे प्लेट, यहाँ रख दे प्लेट का वहाँ से
चलो ये थोड़ा शॉर्ट और आ गया ना।
वहाँ से ले आना, जा check कर। Good morning guys, it's around about 3:30 am. We woke up at around about 2 am. Ready breakfast, that is dalia, and right now we are just summing up the things. There is Tarun getting ready, and this is Kanchan, and within 30 minutes we will start our journey towards 10 to pass. Now it's 5 am, and that's the way from where we have came, and that one is Friendship Peak over there, and right now we are ascending to 10 to pass. So it took us half an hour from our tent to this site, and right now we are approaching up the 10 to pass. Karan is in the lead, then Tarun, and then Mr. Kanchan. In the end I am Rahul, approaching toward 10 to pass. So it's been 1 hour since we started our journey toward 10 to pass. Right now taking a break, filling up our water from this sweet water stream, and then we'll continue our ascent towards the upper side of this ridge line. So now Karan is leading the way, Tarun, Kanchan, and it's me, Rahul, and that's about it. जहाँ रखेगा वहीं रखना, ठीक है?
भाई वेट में जो एक्चुअल बात है।
पकड़ पकड़ पकड़, बोतल 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 बोतल, ऐसे ना रख। ये हमारे करण कटोच दी,
करण कटोच शेरपा।
कल भी लोड फेरी, आज भी लोड फेरी। परफेक्ट टू बी ए परफेक्ट माउंटेनियर। साथ में कंचन दादाजी,
जो कि पहले से शेरपा है,
पहले से शेरपा है।
बोलने की जरूरत नहीं ज़्यादा।
ऐसे नहीं बनते भाई क्लाइंबर, ऐसे बन जाते। दोनों आसान होता है कि छोटा सा हनुमान की बात। कहाँ रोप डालना था यार?
हैं? यहाँ से तो रोप डाल के जाएंगे।
ऐसे तो हम लोग ऊपर वाले पार्ट में डालेंगे। ये रोप नहीं यहाँ से भी आ सकता हमारा।
So right now we have crossed the main section of the 10 to pass, the gully, and right now we'll ascend to that side, and from there we'll cross the 10 to pass.
भाई दवाई दे दे।
यहाँ बैठ।
लो हल्का सा खींच, हल्का सा ही चल, एक कदम बस, होल्ड।
So we came all over from that point where you can see greenery.
We have ibex also. See, on top of the mountain, ibex. There, ibex. कर ibex की तरह कर.
बालू को तो दिखा दो, बालू को कवर कर लिया आपने.
Bear is coming behind me.
So our last man जो सब कुछ देखता है, rockfall, avalanche and all. So Rahul bhai also front man, leading throughout the 10 to pass.
I was going back before 10 to pass, but then mind got distracted. Let's go, I said. So I came.
I want to tell you something. This guy name is Tarun, and he didn't even did the BMC course. That is the least requirement for. But we gave him some sort of training, little training.
You can check on the video.
Ah.
We'll put the training so that you can
But-
also
but,
try and get.
But Tarun put his own efforts.
But yeah, all you need is efforts and hard work and mindset. Then you're gonna achieve such a beautiful point. And look at this view, man.
Right.
Only 30 to 50 meters away from Tentu Pass. Completely exhausted.
We almost reached to the top of this mighty pass. Almighty pass. Almighty push, bro. ये क्या बना के दिया भाई? क्या बना के दिया ये? क्या है ये?
So we have reached the Tentu Pass. This is the team. Come on.
How you feel?
Good.
चल भाई बात आ गई
So we have crossed the Tentu Pass and reached a tent site. That's the Tentu Pass. And right now we are pitching our tent, completely exhausted, dehydrated. And right now we'll pinch our tent, have water for ourselves, and then we'll have a little bit of tea and biscuits, and then take a nap overnight. Hopefully we'll be alright after that. Cheers guys.
Came from that side. There is Tentu Pass and the view is amazing. What to say?
Came down from the Tentu Pass, we lost our sleeping bag, so this is how I'll manage for rest of the 5 days during the expedition.
Right,
So
you can
this
see.
is the fleece, and I'm using my poncho as a liner. I've closed the arms from the both end, and I've closed the upper head part. So yeah, that's how I'll sleep, and I've done
Survival.
2 layering in the legs and 3 layerings in the upper part of my body. And yeah, let's see how does it goes.
कंटेंट रिकॉर्ड हो गया है ये डाल देना मैंने ओए नन्नू
This is our 5th day, and today we are going to our summit camp. Packed up all the stuff and ready to move. Today Tarun is leading the way, and then
कमांडो वाइबेक्स
Ivek Kanchan.
भेजे रे मैंने वहां से देख कोई रखेगा जिंदगी में इतना नाम
So that's the Tentu Pass, and from there we had our 4th camp, and right now we are going in this direction, and from there we'll go to the upper side. So it's been 3 hours since we started our journey from Tentu Pass. It's still another day of exhaustion and tiredness and dehydration, but still we are inclined toward our target and will reach the advanced base camp.
So you can see behind we came from that way, and it's a long journey, very tiring also because snow have melted and it's difficult to take steps, but yeah, our plan is to move on, go to summit camp Tomorrow we're gonna do something surprising. Thank you.
बहुत कड़क पानी है,
So
काफी ठंडा है,
this is our camp 1.
बिल्कुल
Today we
कड़क
came
है।
from our previous camp, and tomorrow we will go to advanced camp, and also tomorrow night we will try to submit the Hanuman Tibba, and that's all. Right now we are preparing hot water for drinking, and also making tea. So this is amazing as well as exhausting. Just preparing tea. Exhausted. And tomorrow we will go to advanced base camp and do the
Summit,
summit.
the Mount Hanuman Tibba summit. For us, it took 1 day extra because the snow condition is not good. We are getting into the snow about our knee, and in order to open the route, it took us around about 4 to 5 hours because we are the first team those who will be submitting the Hanuman Tibba in this season. So that's why it's a little bit exhaustive in nature. But still, we are enjoying it. We are pretty much dedicated and pretty much focused with the aim
And
focus.
also we are enjoying.
We are enjoying at the same time also. Good morning, guys. So this is our 6th day. We are at one camp away from our advanced base camp, and right now we are preparing tea. Everything is good with the team except two things. Tarun Scarpa has started to bite him, so there are small pits. And when we were coming up the tent to pass, one of the strap broke off, and one sleeping bag and just rolled down the valley. So right now we have to survive in just a fleece liner and using the poncho as outer shell, but we are still enjoying the journey because it's not the climb, it's the journey that matters, as what the people say. And this is
बस कर रहा है.
the torch, and this is our tea. So we have packed up our tents, and right now we are moving to advance base camp, and we'll show you the first glimpse of Mount Hanuman Tibba 2023 June. And yeah, it's cloudy today, but it's better for us because we will not deep into the snow, and it will be easy for us to walk till the advanced base camp. Cheers. Moving toward advanced base camp.
नीचे उतरेंगे
So,
तब
we are approaching toward advanced camp today. This is our 6th day. It's quite a journey from tent to advanced base camp because we have to circle around 12 kilometers in the snow to the advanced camp of Hanuman Tibba. And yesterday the snow condition was not so good. We were getting inside the snow around 2 to 3 feet, so it was kind of exhilarating and exhausting experience for us, but still the team is hardly charged up and they are clear with their missions, clear with their aim. And yeah, anything Tarun you want to add on?
हाँ जी भाई जी, कने मज़ा बड़ा हो तो पहाड़ बहुत बढ़िया लग रहे, कने यही नज़ारे चलने का मज़ा है. पिछले कल थोड़ा लेट हो गया है, पर आज जहाँ करी है नहीं है गेम, करे कांगड़े छोरू ना रोशन करी है ने, साथ प्लान है. So this is it, guys. It's beautiful and it's nice.
Okay, see you at advanced campsite. So finally having the first glimpse of
वो तो वो रीच है, वहाँ से नहीं जाना है हमने,
Hanuman Tibba.
उस रीच से नहीं जाना, इधर से जाना है हमने.
हमारे करण जी पानी के लिए नीचे जाते हुए. Weather is good for the night, and at around about 1 to 2 p.m. we'll move toward the summit and we'll go as high as we can and we'll summit and come back, have our food, and then our journey for the descent will start.
कितना? मेरे जितने 2.5 बंदे, मेरी लेंथ के 2.5 बंदे बाबा अंदर घुस जाएंगे क्रिवास में. इतना मैं अभी भागा वहाँ से. मैं क्या दूसरी साइड लेक वाली साइड है, उधर पैर डालो, पैर इतना इतना घुस गया अंदर और बस पानी आ गया था ऊपर ही. तो मैंने बोला इसको दबाता हूँ, थोड़ा बर्फ ली डाल ली उसमें, दबाया, लिया मैंने वो, फिर आपका पाउच जो पानी वाला 10 तरीके उधर से ही डाला, पानी दे दिया, बढ़िया पानी हो गया. बाकी खाना वाना खा ला बढ़िया तरीके से हमारे को.
What's up, Tarun Baba? So tonight at 1 a.m. we'll be going for the summit attempt to Mount Hanuman Tibba, and we are just getting our gear ready up, and then we'll go to the summit. Let me show you. This is Mount Hanuman Tibba. Today at 1 a.m. we'll be going for the summit attempt, and right now we are just getting our equipment ready, keeping each and every nut and bolt tight. Yeah, that's about it.
तो स्लिंग जो है हमारे पास कितनी है? 2 है ना, छोटी वाली है.
एक मेरे पास देखो मैं
आप डायनो वाली ले लो ना, ये वाली ले लो आप ना.
करके लेकर आ रहा है ये
रोक पिटो मेरे पास है, एक आइस क्रू मेरे पास है, एक जुमार
ये
कंचन में दे देंगे, एक जुमार में.
और इसके पास
पुली
है।
बैग में डाल लेते हैं, पुली के साथ. गाने का कॉपीराइट तो नहीं आ जाएगा?
8 साढ़े 8.
So it's around about 8:30 a.m. In the night it was lightning, so we postponed till the morning. We were thinking maybe clear outs, but it's all milky white clear sky, and we have ration for only 1 day, so this is the only only summit push that we need to go through. So right now me, Kanchan and Karan will go for the summit approach, and most probably we will do the summit, and yeah, that's about it, and we are ready to move within 5 to 10 minutes. Jai Bhole Baba, Jai Bajrangbali. That's the camp, and we have approached this much, and that is the summit of Hanuman Tibba. So we have to cross this gully, and from the back side, from the upper side of that glacier, we have to approach toward our summit. So this is the only tricky section, this S shape, and then I hope it will be easier thing to move on. Over here we can take 1 hour to 2 hours, but once we are upper part of the glacier, then we are just few steps away from our summit camp.
हर हर महादेव.
Jen is leading the second pitch, and then it will be my turn. आया कुछ?
So you can see there is summit Hanuman Tipa, and view is amazing. That side. Sorry guys, we are drained out.
एक एंकर करोगे ना उस बैग में खाली सामान फालतू. See. Only 70 meters away from the summit. We have 1 hour and then we'll start descending. Look at the view, amazing. So now Kanchan is leading and we are around about 60 meters away from the summit of Mount Hanuman Tipa, the highest peak of Dauladar range. Kanchan, Karan, and this is me, Rahul, approaching the summit within 30 minutes. So only few distance away from the summit of Hanuman Tipa. It's foggy out here. Only 10 meters away from the summit of Mount Hanuman Tipa. 10 minutes, and this is triggering of a small avalanche. So we have only 10 minutes, and then from there we'll retreat back, because this is the first stone face, this is second, and this is third. This is the top one. So only 30-40 meters away, and so we'll go up and then our summit will be done. So we have reached to the summit of Mount Hanuman Tipa. Our current elevation is 5880 meter, and at this moment we want to thank some of our instructors, Mr.
Avalanche.
Mr. Vikram Gurung, Jaypal sir, Ishwar sir, Varun Joshi sir from Nimas, and from NIM we want to thank Mr. Anil Kumar sir, and most important Shahid sir,
And
so,
Peter sir.
and Peter sir.
And
So this is
sir.
me,
sir also.
Rahul Rana, Kanchan, and Karan Katoch
And
on the summit of Mount Hanuman Tipa.
My friend is Kapil and Vinay, and proud of.
This summit is dedicated to our friends, those who have lost their life during Dropti Ka Danda, during AMC, and yeah, that's about us from the summit of Mount Hanuman Tipa, and see you next time on the summit of another peak. And one more guy is with us. His name is Tarun. He has some leg injury, so he is in the base camp. Pipi Purre to him also, because he haven't done any covers, and still he is able to come till the base camp of Hanuman Tipa, which is 6 days long. And this is 24th June 2023
Okay.
at the summit of Mount Hanuman Tipa.
And
Jai
Kapil and
Hind.
Vinay.
Jai Bharat.
Done the summit, and right now we
Cooking.
are preparing
Dinner.
our dinner. Karan is cutting the potatoes, and then we'll have some packed food, dal makhani and paneer, and then we'll cook rice, and then we'll have soup. This is the other tent, and yeah, tomorrow we'll move to Tentu Pass. Signing off for today.
Bye.
I faced it all, and So when we come back from the summit, this is something which is happening by itself. I'm not doing anything.
So yesterday we have summited Mount Hanuman Tibba and it's a 7th day. It's a little bit foggy out here. Water droplets are pouring down. So we'll wait for another 1 hour and hopefully it will settle down and then we'll start our journey towards the Tentu Pass. And yeah, that's what the planning is all about. We are running out of ration and all our sleeping bags, liners, mats are wet. But still, that's nothing of an excuse from my side or from my team. It's just we are sharing with you our current situation. 6th day, and today we are leaving the advanced camp of Hanuman Tibba to Tentu Pass. We are just clearing up the things, clearing the tent site, all the plastic and all the biodegradable stuff. And let me show you the clear view of Mount Hanuman Tibba. You can see first, second, third pivot point. So we went till the upper point of second, and yeah, that's about it. And just leaving this beautiful site within 1 hour.
कहीं भी आगे
Cheers,
बड़ी
guys.
बर्फ पड़ने लगी हुई करे हाँ
फंसी
फसी करे सिस्टम बनाई थे करे हुन सिस्टम वही है वधिया चाह चू पीती है रोटी राटी खाधी हुन सीन है कि हाँ चली पड़ना अपने सिस्टम टेंटू पास कने में भी कल बुन पुजी जाना है फिर मनाली करना थोड़ा फन हाँ
आज टेंटू पास करना कल मनाली ये
बड़ी हसीन बाबे
Now we have to go till there, and from there I'll show you the next view. So that is the Tentu Pass. That's where we'll camp for today. So we are approaching the Tentu base camp. It's fog out. So right now we have reached to Tentu base camp, and right now we are on way back to Manali. Tomorrow we'll leave to Manali.
You can see our faces na.
So these guys in blues are gonna play blues tomorrow in Manali. That's what's gonna happen. And there, one more Assami team came for summit.
We came back. They are going. That's the Tentu Pass.
Tentu Pass. Deep.
तो आपके लिए हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं अभी सूप सूप है ये क्रीमी मशरूमी सूप
हाय हाय
And,
हाय
आज आप हनुमान टिब्बा बेस कैंप से इतनी मेहनत करके उतर के कैंप 1 में पहुंचे हो
नियर टेंटू पास
नियर टेंटू पास या राइट तो आप अभी सूप पियेंगे और उसके
सूप-
बाद थोड़ी गर्मी
सूप पी के क्या होता है एक्चुअली भूख बढ़ती है
या एपिटाइजर का काम कर रहे हैं उसके बाद हम
Yes.
बनाएंगे
सो फ्रेंच क्लासिकल मेन्यू में ना ऐसे करके दिया होता है कि
14 डिशेज होती हैं 14
पोताज ठीक है
पोताज
पॉइजन
नहीं स्टार्टिंग कैसे होती है
स्टार्टिंग स्टार्टर से क्या हौदेवर्स
ओदेवर्स
हौदेवर्स
हाँ।
पोताज फिर
फिश वाली
Poison.
पोजोन पोजोन
Good morning, guys. It was our last day. We were about to descend from Tentu Pass to the road head, but the weather is not good. It's been raining heavily. So we have to wait for the rain to slow down, and when it settles down, then we'll start our journey, our descent from Tentu Pass.
4-12
So it's around about 4:12 p.m. and it's still foggy, raining, drizzling a bit. So we decided to get back to the roadhead, and it will take us around about 7 to 8 hours. We'll reach at around about 10 p.m. So yeah, let's go.
Now we are at Tentu Pass and descending to Bakarthach, Manali, and this is how we are doing things.
क्रैम्पॉन पहनो पहले
इसका एंकल जरूर बनाना है इसका
चलो 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 शाबाश आउट गुड गुड so this is the steep section of Tentu Pass and right now we are descending down to Bakarthach. That's all for right now. Easy easy. ऐसे वीडियोग्राफर मिलेंगे आपको बेंचो मेरे भाई राणे ओ राणे ओ राणे ओ राणे ओ राणे ऐसे वीडियोग्राफर मिलेगा so it's been 2.5 hours since we off from our Tentu Pass. Right now we are at gully that leads to Tentu Pass. We are descending down and this is the way you can see. Wow, amazing view. And while we were going up we stocked some of our ration here and right now I am here to collect it. So this is very steep climb, you can see team is coming down and I'm also with team and weather is pretty good. There is Bakarthach, that point. I don't know if I'm able to make you see that point. I don't know. So yeah, that's all. So this is the Russian we left behind. And team is coming behind, so I'm waiting here. They will catch me.
So yesterday at 3 p.m. We started our journey from Tentu Pass and we reached at second campsite. So right now we'll leave from here and we directly go to the roadhead where we have parked our car. It will take us 3 hours from here, so we'll just pack up because we are not sure about the weather. It can rain again. So yeah, this is our last day. See you at the roadhead. When we were going to Tentu Pass, the strap of the bag came off and we lost our sleeping bag. There was another team which was coming 3 or 4 days after us for Lord Ferry. They found it and now I took it from them and I'm moving the upper reach section. So that was the place where we lost our sleeping bag. Another team found it. We took it from them and right now we are resuming our journey. And there is Friendship Peak over there. And below these cloudy mountains is where Mount Hanuman is. Crossing the moraine area. And that's the Byaskund. So right now we have reached to Ahumar's training area, and from here it will take us around about 1 hour to reach to the roadhead, and then we'll leave to Manali in our jeep, waiting for 3 of the guy, Kanchan, Karan and Tarun, which are coming. So finally we have reach to our vehicle, and right now we'll leave. I'll wait for the rest of the 3 guys.
पानी में भीग गया।
पानी में भी गया। वो सामने है रोड, बड़े दिन बाद रोड दिखाई दिया है कंचन दादा। वो कहाँ रह गए?
आ गया आ गया। गाड़ी पहले बाहर निकालेंगे।
नहीं, मैं बैग रखूंगा। क्या करेगा तू?
आगे बस
आइजैक से चल जाएंगी।
देखो
अलग तरीके से वैसे ही आएगा।
ये
अभी हम मनाली पहुंच चुके हैं। हनुमान टिब्बा से वापस पहुंच गए हैं हाईवे पे। और यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीडिशन रहा हम लोगों का, काफ़ी अच्छा रहा। और जैसे हम रोड साइड पहुंच रहे हैं वैसे ही वेदर भी ख़राब होता जा रहा है। तो अभी वेदर भी टू वेट वेदर, कल भी अच्छा नहीं था और आज भी लगता है कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही बारिश हो।
अभी हम वापस जब नीचे आ रहे थे तो एक बंदा मिला हमें जो बता रहा था कि 2 दिन से यहाँ पे हाई अलर्ट है, बारिश ज़्यादा हो रही है और जो मंडी वाला रोड है वो ब्लॉक हो रखा है ड्यू टू सेम रीज़न लैंडस्लाइड एंड ऑल।